Hello everyone and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we'll be checking out Killing Bites, opening and ending. Yeah, I have no idea what this show is about. I'm not sure what I should expect given this particular visual over here. But I will let you know that I will leave the links to opening and ending in the description below, so you guys can go sync it up to me. I will probably need to cover up the video, and on my Patreon I will have the uncovered and unmuted version of this particular reaction, so link to the Patreon also in the description below. Without any further ado, let's jump into this opening. Like... oh, okay, we have more girls with okay, like mixing animals and humans. Okay, 3 main girls. Oh, this is definitely something to do with the DNA. Okay, they're mixing human and animal DNA. Oh, goddamn. Okay, he's definitely more of a beast. Is she supposed to be a skunk? Alright. Let's see the ending, and I will say a couple of words what I think about this after. Alright. I mean, drums and guitar. Looks like the show with the fun service, yeah. And hidden action. Potentially good action. Not sure what the title means though. Of course. She is supposed to be the innocent one, right? God damn. All right. Okay. Yeah, I guess I will say that this show is about some kind of experimentation, mixing the DNA between humans and animals, and we get something like this. Not sure what Killing Bites is supposed to mean, rather than, I mean, other than, I guess, literal meaning that they can bite. They can kill with their bite. So one is supposed to be a skunk, and a tiger, and a bunny, or I guess, yeah, lion, tiger, I'm not sure, something like that. Yeah, personally I am not that crazy about either of the songs, opening or nor ending. The visuals did show, I guess, a couple of interesting shots, so I would say this leans more towards the fan servicey show, more ecchi maybe, potentially gore, but yeah, other than that I don't know if this is good or not. So yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click that bell for notifications to be informed of my next reactions, gameplays, reviews, and other things. You guys put in the comments below for me to check out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!